Hello YouTube, and welcome back to the CCA YouTube channel. This is KixieChix. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a matrix or rainy numbers. As you can see on my desktop, I have just screenshotted my matrix that I've already created and set it as my desktop, which I thought was pretty cool. But today I'm going to be showing you how to make a matrix. If you guys don't already know what a matrix is, this is what it is. I'm going to tell you guys right now, it's going to look really bad on your guys' screen because my program that I'm using is not able to render or capture the numbers going through so fast. They're going through really fast, and it's not able to process or render how fast they're going through, so it's going to be kind of glitchy on your guys' screen, but it'll look really cool once you guys get it on your own. So this is what it looks like. It's not going to look the same on your screen as it does on mine because it's not able to process it. So let's get started on how you're going to make this. So you just need to open up a blank notepad document. And just so you guys know, I've done 3/4 of this for you. You guys are not even going to have to do very much. So now what you're going to need to do is go back to your browser that you have, that you're watching the video on, and look down in my caption. I'm going to have this code, the matrix code, copy and paste it in there, and all you're going to have to do is copy that, right click, copy, and you don't need that anymore, and then paste it into your blank notepad document. That's all you guys have to do. You don't have to do any other things. You don't have to type any codes. You don't have to do any of this stuff. All you guys are going to have to do is save it. So you're going to go File, Save As, and I'm not going to do it because I already have one on mine. So you're just going to click Save As, and now you're going to have to scroll down and save it to your desktop. Doesn't really matter. And then this is what you're going to type. You can type whatever you want. All you have to do before it doesn't really matter. I'm just going to put it as like YouTube or something. And then this is the part that you absolutely have to have, .bat. I have no clue why that you have to have that, but you just have to have it. .bat. You have to have that or it won't work. I have no clue why, so don't ask me. But you just have to, okay? And then click Save. And then it should show up somewhere on your desktop, and it'll show up as whatever you save it as. It won't. The .bat won't show up. So as you can see, I've already made one, and it's just called matrix. Now the way that you know that you've done this right is it'll have a little white box and gears in the middle. That's how you know that you've done it right. If you don't have that above, like that's what your icon is, and you've done something wrong and you need to fix it, make sure you have the .bat, and if something else goes wrong, like I don't know what else you could mess up on this, but if it doesn't work, just put it in the comments below and I'll try to help you figure it out. So then you just click on it, and then on yours it might show up as like a little help thing. Just press enter or any key, and then it'll go and say press any key again, and then yeah, there's a few different ways that you can actually change this. Like one of them, you can change the colors. I think A is green, and I think B was red, and C was like a light blue. But you can go through command prompt and you can type in like color A, B, C, D, E, F. The letters are through A through H or A through G, I'm pretty sure. And those just let you change the colors of the numbers that are scrolling through your matrix. I like to use green because it kind of looks like you're hacking in some way. Just so you guys know, this does not harm your computer at all. It does nothing to it. It's just for show. It doesn't do anything. Doesn't put any viruses on your computer or anything. It's just a display thing, and it's a cool way to show off in front of your friends. I like using it just because when I did it at school, everybody was like, oh my god, how did you do that? Everybody was like, it was really cool, and I showed the teacher how to do it. It was kind of funny. But just so you know, it's really cool. And yeah, next Friday I'm going to be showing you guys how to make message box codes. Let me go into one. Here, I'll show you. Like this. I made this. By the way, your computer hates you and will now destroy you. Okay, so your computer doesn't actually hate you and won't destroy you. I created this, and if you guys get on next week, I will show you how to make this. So stop into the CCA YouTube channel next Friday, and I will show you guys how to make this. It's a really cool way to mess with your computer, and it's cool because you can make it into like your My Computer stuff. Like these are not actually the My Computer and Internet Explorer stuff. It's a thing where you click on it, it'll go into a message box code. So if you guys show up next week, I will be showing you guys how to make message box codes. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I hope you liked it, and if you guys have any questions, leave it in the comments below, and make sure you guys subscribe. Always subscribe, and like the video if you liked it. Thanks, YouTube. See you next week.